Hello everyone, in this video we are going to convert from base 10 to other bases. Convert 213 to base 12. Solutions. Two 13 to base 12 have 17, remainder 9. 12 is 1, remainder 5. 12 is 0, remainder 1. So 213 base 10 equals to 159 base 12 when you take it from bottom to top. Convert 213 to base 9 solution. 213 to base 9. 23 remainder 6. 9 into 23 is 2, remainder 5. 9 into 2 is 0, remainder 2. Take it from top to bottom. You have 213 base 10 equals to 256 base 9. Convert 213 to base 11. Solution. 213 to base 11. Have 19, remainder 4. 11 into 19 is 1, remainder 8. 11 into 1 is 0, remainder 1. Take it from top to bottom. You have 213 base 10 equals to 184 base 11. Convert 213 to base 6. Solution. 213 to base 6 have 35, remainder 3. 6, 5, remainder 5. 6, 0, remainder 5. 213 base 10 equals to, when you take it from bottom to top, have 5, 5, 3 base 6.
Thank you for watching.